So yeah, Sankhya. So after you have joined 100 LGM system, can you exactly tell me that what exactly struggles you were facing before joining the system, and what exactly things you overcame after joining the system?
Okay, ma'am. Before joining the 100 LGMs, I'm very difficult to get my bridal orders. If I get the orders, no, the people are asking me very low price. Um, Before joining 100 LGM, I'm struggled to get the order also. Notice my work to my clients. That also very difficult for me. I don't know how to show the works to my clients, how to reach out the clients and all. But after 100 LGM, now people are come and seeing my page. They are seeing the page, seeing the work. After that, they will ask me, "Your works are very good." That problems are dull. I overcome after I joined the 100 LGM.
Now you are not running behind the clients. Clients are coming and asking you.
Coming to my page, yeah, directly they are coming to my page and I see them, see my works and everything and all. After that, they will ask, okay, your works are good. The people are calling me in more places like in Kerala also, but I I only not not ready to go for long. In Tirunelveli, the people are calling me.
Okay, they were out from outstation also. You're getting the
Yeah, yeah,
booking, but you're
yeah,
not able to travel outstation.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, understood. Now, before joining the system, Sanjay, can you tell me in your makeup journey, minimum how many bookings you have maybe completed?
Ma'am, actually, before joining the 100 LGM, if I monthly 2, 3 orders, that also it's very difficult for me. The people are asking in the low budget. Now, if I'm using the product, if I explain the products, also they didn't accept because if I'm using the Mac and all, they I will explain. But they are asking that if you are using Mac, also they will asking 2,500
Oh
or
my God,
3,000.
for bridal.
5,000, yeah, 5,000. The people are asking like that only, ma'am. Before that struggle and all, I really go through before 100 LGM. But very difficult for me. Why I choose this field also, I worried about that before the 100 LGM. I joined before. And after that, the people are asking me. They will understand. If after that, I know everything how to explain to the client. So after I explaining to the client, no, they will accept. If they will come with the low budget also, if I explain, no, they accept the high budget now. Before that, I don't know how to explain to my clients and all. That also I don't know exactly.
Your conversion strategies has grown so much that now you are able to convert a normal, less paying clients also to the high paying clients.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So now can you give me a minimum, this one, Santhya, that how after joining 100 LGM system, till now, how many bookings you have completed and what is the amount you have earned?
Almost 10 to 15 bridal orders I completed. Still 4 or 5 is pending, ma'am, in the June month. Almost I earned almost after joining the 100 LGM, almost I earned almost 3 lakh rupees on my own money. Now that makes me very happy and proud, ma'am.
15 to 20 bookings and 3 lakhs rupees of revenue. And you also won the giveaway also, in which we'll be having giveaway. And I was really surprised that you will be winning the giveaway.
That also, my also, I am very surprised, ma'am. You messaged me that only I know. Oh, okay, I got that winner.
This time even I was surprised after announcing the giveaway that how many people will let us see that how many students what revenue they generate. And when I saw your name, I was really happy that within very short span of time, once the marathon ended, you have generated so many bookings in just that short, very short span of time.
Yeah, ma'am, because of you only, ma'am. Because of you, because we are following each and everything what you said, what you guided for us. That we, each and everything we are following in the consistently. Then only we will. If I achieve this level of success, no, the main reason is for you only. The I always grateful for that, ma'am. For
Before
always.
joining the system, you had lot of questions that, ma'am,
Yeah,
within how many time I'll
definitely.
get, and you even your husband also had lot of questions that
Yeah.
within how much of time she is going to get the results. Is it the right thing we are doing or
Yeah.
not?
I'm getting fear. So because so much of scams are going on, that's why I'm getting so many fears. But I didn't expect after joining, it's 100% worth, mom. That's what I'm telling.
Okay. So now, Sandhya, as per you have generated so much of revenue and everything. Can you explain can you explain that how important marketing plays a important role in the business in makeup?
Marketing is very important, ma'am. If you don't know about the work also, marketing is very, very important. You don't little bit you have to know about your work, it's enough. But marketing is very, very important because you have to market yourself. No, then only the people are they should know you are here. You have to do some work like that in the any field. You have to do in the sari wrapping also, sari wrappist also, hairstylist also. The people, how can I know if you do, you have to do marketing, then only they should know, right? That's very, very important, ma'am. Yeah. Yeah, like a master class is how is important for the classes also, it's very important. More than that, marketing class is very, very important because you have to know people also, then only they will know, get to know. You have to do, you are in this place, you have to do some makeup or like hairstyle or side wrapping, then only they will know, right? It's very,
Yes.
very important, ma'am.
Always I say to the people, only 20% you require makeup skills. If you have
Yes,
20% makeup skills, rest 80% is your marketing skills.
marketing
And from
skills.
marketing, when you start getting the clients and when you start exploring hundreds of different skin types, you become pro in makeup.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
So a lot of people they end up spending lots of amount on master classes, these that, and they don't do that and they don't have that experimentation on the real face, real time, because of which again they'll be struggling with maybe I'm lagging behind makeup. It is not lagging behind makeup, it is about the marketing. Now tell
Yes.
me, Sandhya, that how was your experience in 5 week marathon?
Uh, Actually, I'm getting so much feared, mom, because you are giving everything every week. You giving the task, but that's it's very interesting, ma'am. Some if I we do some editing and all, that's very it's interesting. But before that, I'm getting fear because I have some in the middle of a marathon. I have some bookings and all. So how can I manage that and all? I felt bad. How can I manage and all? But main reason if I achieve this level of success, no, that 5 weeks marathon, it very helpful for me, ma'am, because your teached everything, guided me each and every procedure in that 5 week marathon. Only after we completed the marathon, only we started cracking the result.
Yes, that 30 days marathon is it will be tough in the starting, but
Yeah,
once you complete that 30 days journey, no one will stop you from cracking the booking soon after that only.
yeah, ma'am.
So, can you tell me, Santhya, that any person having a 0% marketing knowledge or experience, is it so difficult for that person to learn marketing and crack so many bookings?
No, ma'am. You will teach. No, ma'am. You will teach each and everything. No, ma'am. If the people are don't know, also they come and join with the 100L gym. That you will teach everything. Each and every step you have to teach everything. They will follow whatever you are teaching. No, ma'am. The 100% they will crack the result. I am the example, ma'am, because I am getting fierce in the starting. So after that, I still I didn't believe in this short period I achieved this level of success. Seriously, I did not believe.
Okay, now Santhya, I can see that how exactly you're feeling about that. Now, can you tell me, Santhya, if I ask your goal, now you are part of 100 LGM community and you know how to set the goals and how to work towards that and everything. If I ask your goal in next 1 year, can you tell me that how much what is the amount you have kept it as a goal that you really want to achieve in the form of maybe bookings or the revenue that you want to crack?
Uh, Before that, I don't have any goals and I'm just going for my work. That now I fixed for goal. Now I'm going for work to now I'm going to for my work to achieve that goal in the particular time. So if I set my goal within 6 months, I need to achieve this when some products first I thought to buy some gold because in long time ways in recently I purchased, ma'am, because of this after I achieved I cracked this bookings, no, ma'am. That amount I had, right? In my own money, I achieved that also. Because now I fixed one another goal for my husband. If now I am running for that. So within one year, I want to achieve that goal for my husband, because first I achieved for myself. Again, I fixed for my husband. So now I'm running to my work begin, because I need to achieve the for goal for my husband.
Okay,
He
now you achieved the goal for yourself and almost it is
Yeah,
done.
yeah.
And now you have kept the goal for your husband in upcoming year and you are going to give your best to achieve that.
Yeah, because he is a main reason for me, because he only spent a lot of money for me. He believe me. That's the main reason. He is my very important role, ma'am. He supported me much.
So Sandhya, like, how is your family feeling now by seeing you in this level?
Before we joined on call, ma'am, before 100 LGM, what I felt, no, I felt bad about myself, because even my husband giving the gift and all, but I don't have money to uh, give them any surprise or give them. I worried about you, ma'am, before, but now I am very happy, because if I have now, I had a money, right? Even I will give the surprises for him, whatever he want. I want give us the surprises, no. So that makes me very happy, ma'am.
Oh,
Okay, this much of growth we achieved in the short time, like that I felt now, because
in
of.
very short time, not short time, in very short time, because after marathon, you just like, won the giveaway by cracking like, almost more than 2.5 lakh to 3 lakh worth of bookings. I was like, surprised with that. Lot of people like, they get blocked for more upcoming months, and it will be a long journey. But very short span of time, you took the like, this one for winning the giveaway. It was very happy moment for me and surprising also that like, how exactly it shows your dedication, that how dedicated you are and how much like badly you have worked towards this.
Ah, thank you, ma'am. Because of you only, ma'am. Because all the reasons of you only. You
Thank
guided.
you, thank you so much. And also when I saw your like video on like Amrita's this one where you were learning hairstyle also, I felt very happy that now you're upgrading and it is right time to upgrade now. Now you're earning, and from that earned amount, if you're spending in hairstyle upgrading, nails upgrading, everything is worth. But before anything, before earning anything, a lot of people they end up spending their amount in nails, learning like hairs, learning everything possible, but not getting the business.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
But you are doing it at the right time, at the right place, and you are just like this one. Tell me, Santhya, that how happy you're feeling from inside by sharing all these results.
Mm.
How happy are
No.
you feeling from inside?
Yeah, ma'am. Because now I am how to planning how to improve my business. Like then we next level we can go and learn about nail. Give it to my bridal client as a complimentary for the nail and all. We can give as a complimentary gift also. So now I have an idea like how to improve my business. How that idea automatically will come. Before that I don't have it. That much ideas also don't have. After joined 100 gyms, I improved myself also. Okay, then now I started to thinking how to improve the business. What kind of things are it's very useful for my brides and all. I am thinking about that. Then we can next we can go for that place and learn the new things and give it to my clients and all. I am thinking about that.
It is very great. You're doing a very great job, Santhya, going from having one or two, like, rare bookings in a month, now, like, achieving 3 lakhs and 15 to 20 bookings with very short span of time after 30 days of marathon. It is a very great success. And, like, by being in this community, I know that you are going to, like, grow more and grow to that level, like, and may God give you more and more success. And I want you to keep sharing your results so that everyone gets inspired by your results.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, now I'll just like stop the recording, like Santhya.